Chivers. I'm working in the lab of Dr. Fernando Zapata here in the Life Sciences Department of the University of Lincoln. I've been recently working on a project which got published in the Journal of Bioacoustics, which is looking at the bioacoustic behaviour of a new species of katydid called Arachnoscelis arachnoides. So from this analysis and investigation of its behaviour, we've discovered that it has these hugely intense calls, really loud, and also it works in the high ultrasound.
Ultrasonic frequencies cannot be detected by the human ear, so how did you measure these sounds in the bush cricket?
Right, well, to record these sounds we use these really high quality and highly sensitive ultrasound microphones that have to be highly calibrated before we use them. This allows us to get really good readings on the acoustic output from the animals in terms of like frequency and intensity and stuff, which is how we know that they're so loud.
Why does the bush cricket need to call so loudly?
Well, the main purpose of the call is as a signal to the females, so the males will sit still and sing and the females will listen for them and try and locate them. Because of this, the call needs to be loud that the females can hear them. It's also that at such high frequencies, a call will attenuate and just dissipate into the environment really quickly, so it has to be very loud so the females can hear it.
Not many undergraduates get to have a paper published in a scientific journal. How does this feel?
Well, obviously it's a really good achievement for me, I'm really happy with that. But it's also a really good effort for the whole team, the people that's involved. It's a big collaborative effort because I couldn't have done it without Fernando, of course, but I've also had massive support from the department as well. So I think it's a really good all-round achievement for everyone.
So we only use one male for each thing, but we wanted to use as many species as we could. And also it wouldn't be practical to sit there and measure files for say 5 individuals each species. It just wouldn't be practical.
What are your plans for the future, and will you be continuing your work with bush crickets?
Yeah, I'd really like to stay on here and work in the lab with Fernando and carry on working in this area. It's a really exciting time and hopefully we can carry on producing good research.
And what have you enjoyed most about being a student at the University of Lincoln?
Lincoln's like a really nice place, it's a really nice city as well to live, so to have that on top of your studies is a really good thing, but also just generally in terms of education, the department's been really helpful and really supportive in trying to get students, like up and coming students, to a higher level than what they would be otherwise usually, so I feel like I've progressed a lot here.